everyone, it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. Welcome. Now I have some happy mail today, 2 packages. And first of all, I need to mention a couple of things. I am looking for Angela Bowman. You won the flower bag. I need you to email me. If you did email me, I didn't get it. So I need you to email me. They actually put up a community post looking for you. All right, so yeah, we also have a giveaway. Well, myself and I Method Beauty, it's sponsored by them, for the eyebrow stencil kits. There's 2 that you can choose from. I actually recorded a better review this morning. So these are the result. This is for the second kit. So that giveaway, I'll link it up here somewhere. That giveaway ends on tomorrow, October 25th. But I'm going to draw 5 winners on October 26th in the afternoon. So if you want to enter up until noon or so, tomorrow, that's fine. I'll accept that. Yeah, and in that giveaway video, I will show myself putting this on. She sent me a different color. Olivia sent me a different color, and I think this one is much better. All right. So you'll see a review, like a new review for the second kit. Actually you'll see it in the actual winning giveaway. Okay, it'll be before I choose the winners, but in that same video. You got it? All right. Okay, so happy mail. All right, see my little display? It's a ball of yarn there. I followed a tutorial for the itsy bitsy little pumpkin, but I can't remember what tutorial it was. That was a while back. And I don't know if I followed a tutorial for the big one, because I made that one quite a while ago too. So anyway, all right, let's do this. 1 happy mail. Oops. 2 happy mails. All right. Oh. Okay, so this one I actually know what it is, but I can't wait to see it in person. This is from Dragon Bee Crochet, and I'll link her channel below. She emailed me, and she said she had something that she got a while back, I guess. Had good intentions for her, I'm sure. And she asked if I wanted them. I'm like, you know, yeah. So I said I would love to have those. So here we go. All right, we're in. Okay. Oh. Did you make a gardener studio? No, I don't think so. All right, look at, oh, wait a minute, this almost looks homemade. Look at, so cute, it says enjoy. Isn't that cute? One of those 3-dimensional ones. That is so cute. It feels like felt. Ah, enjoy. Okay, hi Darla. I can't wait to see your creation. I have a container full of purse handles of all kinds. As soon as I saw the t-shirt yarn, I knew these handles would be perfect. P.S. I love Pinterest for purse ideas too. You know, I hardly ever go on there. I actually started a profile thingy on there, and I just having a hard time keeping it up. I'm trying to put my crochet tutorials on there, but I only got a couple on there. Oh, gee. Anyway, Have fun, Lisa. And again, that's Dragon Bee Crochet. I love this card. It is so cute. Thank you so much. Okay, bead purse handles. Okay. I think she said she got them off a craft table. So, these are really pretty. Okay. Oh, are they ever? Are they ever? Look. Look at those gorgeous colors. Kind of like a goldie, and there's brown in there. Like a marbled look, kind of. Very nice. Very nice. You can take them off. Take off the thingy. The hook thingy. Wow, that's really nice. Really nice. And there's two of them. Two of them in the bag, the same. Right? Same, yeah. Gorgeous. All right. Yes, thank you so much, Lisa. I love them. I think they're about, she measured and sent me a picture. I think they're about a foot, 12 inches. Yeah, those are really, really nice. Thank you so much. Okay. So the next package is from, isn't this funny? Dragon Bee Crochet is Lisa, and this other package is from another Lisa. So all you Lisas out there, send me some packages. I'm just kidding. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, it's a box, and let's get into it. Now I have no idea what this is. She did say she was sending me something. Oh, and her channel is Me That Loves Cats. So I'll link her channel below, of course. Okay. There's a box in here. Okay. Box. I'm excited. I'm always excited when, you know, anytime when I'm just talking to you guys, I'm excited. And I get excited when I get happy mail because I mean somebody's thinking about me. Oh my gosh, why are you thinking about me? Oh dear. Yeah. Okay. All right, we're in. Okay. Oh, this is great stuff for packing. I'm keeping that. Oh wow, this is, look, it's wrapped up really nice, wrapped in paper. Okay. It feels soft. Okay, so here's some more of that. Definitely keeping that, keeping the box. Oh my, I just saw something. Ooh, something fluffy. Okay, is there, all right, found a card. Look at that first. Oh, that's really pretty. Look, a butterfly. Gorgeous. Gorgeous butterfly. Oh, yes. Okay, yes, share by showing my gifts. Thank you. May God bless you always. Hi Darla, good job on your YouTube channel and more. There's a little something in cat version. Hope you like it. Thanks for being a friend. Best prayers your way, Lisa from Texas. Me that loves cats. Yes. Thank you so much, Lisa. I love that. I love that yellow butterfly. It just pops. I love that. Okay. we have, oh, okay, oh my gosh. Okay, first of all, wishing you chills and thrills down to your bones. It's a skeleton. Oh my gosh, you can put this together. It's posable. Oh, that's really cool. Look. That is very cool. Oh. Okay. That is very cool. Thank you. Okay, now what else do we have? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh my gosh. It's a, oh, there goes my skeleton. Oh my gosh, a black and orange cat. Look at the tail. Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh, that is so soft. Wow. That is so soft. Creatology, it says, and there's a phone number. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh my gosh. I'm just looking at one of my cats here. Huggles, what do you think of this? Hey, what do you think of this? Oh, she looked at it. She's more interested in the packing material. Oh, look. I love it. Thank you so much, Lisa. Oh, I think it'll have to go up there. Yes. I love that tail. Okay, so that is it for this video, and yeah, so I'll see you all again tomorrow. All right, thanks guys. Thank you. Bye. As I was putting my stuff away, and I put my kitty up there, I was noticing that there's an envelope in here where the skeleton is, and it says papyrus, I don't know how to say that, but it says creates exquisitely crafted cards for people who appreciate true connection in their lives. A joy to give or receive. Our beautifully designed cards are inspired by a love of art and a dedication to fine craftsmanship. For the important people in your life, there are cards, and then there are papyrus. Wishing you chills and thrills down to your bones. So this is an actual wool. Okay, this envelope here, I gotta take this out. Okay. There's a sticker. Oh, you see that? It's a hummingbird. Oh, it's already connected. I'm afraid I'm going to lose a leg, but it's already connected. Okay. Oh, that is even cooler than I thought. All right, that's even cooler than I thought. Okay, I thought that was really cool. I thought I had to put it together. But I don't have to. That is really cool, Lisa. Thank you. There's the envelope. Is there anything inside this envelope? I better look. No, there isn't. But it's a very thick envelope. Wow. Okay. I love it. He can dance. I love him. Thank you, Lisa. Okay.